Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the easy bokeh effects in CapCut or the background blur editing tutorial. So let's say you want to make your subject stand out and give your video a professional, shallow depth of field like Spencer's camera bokeh or this DSLR. The background blur effect is the easiest way to achieve that cinematic look, and CapCut will make it simple for you. So this is how you can do it. First, you can start by creating a new project and select your video. So here I'm going to just use one from the CapCut library. Let's say in here I'm going to use this one's right here. Click on the video that you want to download. And now what you need to do is just duplicate the clip first. So click on the clip and tap on duplicate. Now make one of the video as overlay. So tap on overlay button like this. And now you can just remove the background of this overlay. So go to the remove BG option. And here I'm going to use the auto removal because it's a portrait, so it will make it easier for you. Just wait until the background is removed. Now once the background is removed, you can just go to the effects, video effects. Now add blur effects to the bottom layer or to the main track like this. And here you need to adjust the blur to a lower or just make it natural. So I'm going to just go with maybe 18 like this. Hit on a check icon and don't forget to apply it to whole clip. So this is how it will look like now. So just follow the steps that I show you here to have this blur background. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you in the next one.